to the Lucky the Review, the king of the reviewer channel, Grant. Welcoming to my channel. Today the topic of the discussion is the 360 virtual video making software. It is the fantastic and mind-blowing things. If you channel, I hope people are doing well, and the great invention of the 2021 is here to help you make the big bucks in the midst of this pandemic COVID-19 situation. And AI technology automatically create the interactive virtual video tours and e-commerce stores. So if you want to make a virtual video making tools, and if you have an e-commerce website and if you want to make the e-commerce stores, then this kind of tools are really helpful for you and all the people who are interested in this kind of fields and working on this kind of fields, so that you can USC and your business. So these one videos are available over here. So overview about this product, I will be taking the measure point of this software like age, BG music, customer review, floor plans, and all you need to do is the following. Like a first step is to capture the image, second step is to upload the image, and now the third stage is sell and profit. So in this way you can generate codes, automatic interaction allowed to generate and multiple profits for you and your clients. These are the video to 360 social media friendly, and share your videos all the major social media platform with just one click and export host the tools on your own server. So the perfect tool for the e-commerce stores and anyone sells anything online including the physical products. Give your customer the chance and just the way they would do at the physical stores. So the state-of-the-art adjustment reality technology help us to sell about the photographics can ever do. Use the live chat features and the personal your customer shopping the experience. Add the videos, URL, phone, maps, posts, surveys, and text message, and etc. These are the features I have been discussing over here. So these are the some key features are mentioned over here. I have already discussed about if you create the videos, selling, links, URL, and many other things you can do it. So if you want to interested, then click over here, get instant access. Now you can move on to the payment side and you can generate the profit. So as you can see on the screen, you can give the future of the live videos for supporting and virtual 360 tools. Easily create the interactive virtual tool for the small businesses, and also available the coupon rewards and one click to purchase. So with this one, the live video call supports e-store, e-commerce, and gamification that rewards the systems. So as you can see on the screen, if you are buying this software, then you can also connect with the people's live video chattings. This kind of features are available over here, and empower you with the one single platform for the virtual tools, e-commerce with live video chat and built-in gamification. So these are the things available over here. So the loving the video tools 360 is easy to operate. Everybody can operate in a very short times. So that is why so many people do this. Here the views are available over here. So VT360, this person are using, and this lady is also using in the lockdown the last 3 months. So these are the persons have already used this software and build up the lots of money and demo how to the amazed anchoring. So these are the another videos are available on these websites, and see the sample 360 tools to create the minutes using the 360 stores, so that John Franks are also mentioned, and you can also security about the homes, and simply store virtual tools. So in this way you can super exciting about my purchase. This person gives the 5 out of 5 star ratings. So these are the view of the 360. This gives you the very fantastic video qualities and very amazing features you can see on the screens. Mind-blowing performance there. So these are the things and help us to business with a virtual ready. The opportunity to work offers you the unique service to business that will lead them to the profit. And here what you the step in the beginning has never been more profitable. Your time to sign and provide them with the solution and disparatively lead to the survey. Quickly shut off the video 360 with a live video chats. I have already saved these videos, and if you similar way you can also generate a 360 view of your house also. So these are the some another pictures and example are here, and these are the e-commerce stores with the build up in the gamifications, and these are the products how it's look like, and 3 simple steps I have already been discussing about these steps. So once again I told you the brief ideas about these steps once again, so that to make the ultimate profit from your virtual tool. First step is to upload an image using your iPhone or Android phone 360 cameras. Then the system is automatically upload to the videos 360 and create your course. And the last step is to sell and profit as customer browser the course e-commerce stores and interactive live video chat. So these are the 3 major steps. If you upload the video in the first step, the software is automatically generate your video tools, and the third step, sell and profits as much more are the important things, because nowadays the pictures is not sufficient to show you the customers to buy these particular things, and interesting video is one of the most key to the attracting to the people. So that is why this kind of tools are majorly important things, and one more platforms and many features maximize your profit. I have already told you about these things. Video detailings are also mentioned over here. So the tool experience optimization powered by the artificial intelligence and machine learnings, and your code builder add and customize hotspots like a live video chatting, interactive with your own audience even while being the miles apart, give the humanity's touch while pitching your properties via tools on your product at your e-commerce stores. Gamification and intensive rewards and the product sales. As you can see on the screen, the shopping has the shifting from the malls to the online, not just a temporary but forever. Now they sell your products, applications, and get the feeling of the product through augmentation reality technology. This is the mind-blowing power technology adopted nowadays to build the email list. There is no need to the email marketing and many of the things. The software is automatically generate lots of emails in your database, interactive auto sponsors, webinar and appointment bookings. All the kind of works are doing online, and so the ad floor plans are also generated at multiple sensor and background music conversion boosters, auto rotations, and self-hosted analytic, Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and many more things. Google the virus allow your user to share across your social medias, and perfect interactive virtual tools for your business and your clients, and real estate and e-commerce stores, education systems, and automotive cars and showcase, artificial and the architecture and interior designings. And here are the great videos 360 studio for a low one-time free with free commercial license included. The blog is taking on these offers. So this is the beautiful certificate of this 360. So I hope people are enjoying this video. Once again, if you not subscribe my channel, then press the subscribe buttons, and if you want to buy this product, then visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video.